Hello everyone! Konnichiwa! Welcome to YUCa Japanese Cooking. I'm YUCa. Today we are making Tamago sandwich, deluxe version. The deluxe version means we're gonna make a tamago sandwich with using soft-boiled egg. Have you ever seen this sandwich? There are so many egg sandwiches. Tamago Sando here in Japan. And some of you noticed from my Instagram, I introduced 3 kinds of tamago sandwich. One was Tamago Salad Sandwich. And second one is Tamagoyaki, Japanese rolled egg style tamago sandwich. And today, half-boiled egg plus egg salad style sandwich. So volumey. Are you excited? During this video, I'll show some tips and cooking ideas to make delicious tamago sandwich. So please watch until the end. Are you ready to cook? Okay, let's get started. Here are the ingredients. Tamago sandwich is done! It seems Luigi is interested in this sandwich. Okay, I need scissors to cut in the middle. Now it's separated. Wow, looks so yum! I recommend to eat with the parchment paper as it is. Itadakimasu. The egg salad is very soft. So bread and egg salad, it's very delicious. Wow, it's hard to eat the soft-boiled egg. Eating half-boiled egg itself is a little bit plain, so I recommend to eat with the egg salad. I put Dijon mustard for adults. Usually kids don't like the soft-boiled egg, so I recommend to take out the mustard. I think my children will like it too. Definitely, homemade mayo and ketchup is a key ingredients for this sandwich. How about making this on this weekend? If you like more ideas to put inside of the egg salad, please let me know from the comment box down below. Have you ever tried this in Japan or in your country? Please let me know. And do you remember the tip? To make the perfect soft-boiled egg, I recommend to boil eggs from boiling water and 6 minutes 50 seconds. It's very sharp, but I recommend. And tip, when you make Japanese mayonnaise from scratch, I recommend to use canola oil or rice oil, something light oil. Please stir also the same speed. Then you can make perfect homemade mayonnaise. And tip, please make sure the directions. Please fold the sandwich with parchment paper, then cut in the middle. And tip, cellophane wrappers also work. But if you have an parchment paper, please try with the cellophane. And tip, I didn't add extra ingredients today, but to make egg salad, it might be good to add chopped onion or other green vegetables like broccoli together. If you have more ideas, please let me know from the comment box down below. How was the recipe? I hope this recipe inspires you to make that weekend brunch for your family and friends. And if you want to see more Japanese style sandwich ideas, please let me know from the comment section down below. This time, I introduce my morning routine a little bit. I normally go for a walk with my Mario and Luigi. This is my favorite park recently opened. Many of the plants in the park have just been planted, so I'm looking forward to seeing what the scenery will look like in the future. And I sometimes sit down on the lawn area and see the scenery of Sumida River. It's so relaxing. And I like to see Mario and Luigi drinking water in turns. I think Luigi is more excited to go for a walk rather than Mario. Mario is just happy to be with all of us. See, that's Luigi. Maybe he wants me to stop filming and go. This time I tried to make it vlog style, but how was it? What kind of vlog do you like? Please let me know. I might film another vlog. And of course, if you have a question about my family life, please write a comment down below. Okay, Sui-chan is here! How are you everyone? Since Sui-chan is 1-year-old baby, so she cannot eat the half-boiled egg, but you can eat other sandwich. Okay, thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye!